All right, this is the ACT assignment, question number 12 about a rectangle in the coordinate plane, and we want the fourth vertex of the rectangle. So I think this is one that's really, really good to do visually. Okay, so like on a test, if I was in trouble, I would try to sketch it out on paper. Okay, so I've got to make a rectangle, and I've got 3 of the points. All right, so I could actually start to draw on some of the sides here quick. I'm going to draw on that side of the rectangle, right? And then I'm not sure where the other point's going to go. So like when I first looked at this, I thought my other point would be like somewhere over here, like right about there. But then when I tried that, I get more of a parallelogram. Right? If I fill in the sides, right, it doesn't look all that rectangular. So that looks more parallelogram-ish. So then I realized, okay, so maybe the point, instead of being over here, right, maybe the point's down here somewhere, right? And if I draw this in, that point, then if I start to connect the dots, then I get a nice looking rectangle. Okay, so that at least gets me in the ballpark. I could kind of read these. It looks like it's about 3 and negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 maybe, right? So my guess that the answer right now, just visually, would be 3 and negative 7, something like that. So I could see, do I have a choice like that? I do have that choice, right? That's right there. So if I wanted to be more sure of myself, what I might do is do some slope information. So like this slope from this point to this point is up 2 and over 3. So it has to be the same here. So I could do 2 to 3 like this, right? And so that means if I started at 6, 5 and went down 2 more, that would be negative 7. And I went to the left 3, so it'd be 6 to 3. So that looks right. Okay, so I went 3 this way, making this point 3, 6 to 3, and then I went down 2, so 5 to negative 7 makes sense. So that could tell me for sure that it must be the right point. Okay, so that's a hard question, but I think if you draw it visually, it's actually not that bad. So the right answer there is 3 and negative 7. And I can't click on it, but it's that one right there, 3, negative 7. Okay, thanks for watching.